Hello guys, welcome to your very own channel, The Techie Traveler. Hey guys, this is just to share my experience that I have gone through while getting my bike serviced outside the service center for the first time. The guy who is servicing it is a nearby service guy, and he's very familiar to me. And just wanted to go through the things that he have changed and how he has completed the service. Let's go. So he opened this space first where air filter is being fitted, and this space, the oil filter, this is the air filter, and I can clearly see how dirty it is, because truly I'm getting it cleaned after almost 6 months. The oil is getting drained out completely. This is the older oil filter. I'm getting it changed also because I have used it for almost 6-7 months continuously. He's cleaning up all the parts that is connected with that oil filter. Sorry for not showing up the fittings. Yeah, the oil filter is fitted now. Now he is cleaning the space from where we used to put the engine oil. The spark plugs being serviced. The new air filter is also getting fitted now. I love this guy because he does everything so clean, I use Motel engine oil usually, so this is the engine oil. It's good in quality. That's what I found. Now the service part is done, and the cleaning has started now. And the luckiest part I found is that this guy is cleaning the bike thoroughly. I didn't even need to tell him where and what to do. He has done it so well. I am very impressed with this guy. He has cleaned almost every part. I'm getting this bike serviced for the first time after the Spiti trip. After that I didn't get it serviced till now. So you can see that how dirty it is. Thorough cleaning is in process. No, literally I'm very happy to see how he is cleaning it. He used petrol to clean all the dust part, or to remove the hard fixed dirt parts. Yep, finally my Thunder is serviced, cleaned, and is shining. Thanks guys for the good service. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. This is Raj signing off for today.